Hey everybody, it's Craig here from Komatsu Forklifts. Today I'm going to do a walk around on an FD80-10 8-ton forklift. Now we specified this particular machine with a 4.5 meter two-stage mast. It's running a wide side shift with fork positioning, and it's got some 1.8 meter long forks. So the great thing about the 8-ton Komatsu is it's quite a short wheelbase forklift, so it turns on a dime, really good lifting capacity, and it's very, very well specified with things like this full factory cab with air conditioning. You can see that you've got really good view all around, lots of glass in there, keeps you out of the weather, but it also keeps you comfortable on those stinking hot days too. Ergonomically, beautifully laid out. It's got a nice wide floor area here, very comfortable things like the handbrake, forward and reverse lever, and a tilt adjust on your steering column. Very, very well appointed seating layout and driving layout. Some of the other features on this cab include air conditioning and wipers. So you can see we've got all the controls for these up in here. This is for our work lamps, beacons, front wiper, roof wiper, rear wiper. This is our air conditioning controls over here. Good seating position too, so you get really good all-round visibility on this truck. Good visibility through that mast as well. So even though it's got fork positioning, those extra rams actually don't really get in your way. So I can see those fork tips perfectly. The engine in this truck is actually designed and built by Komatsu. It's the Komatsu SAA 4095LE motor that pumps out 69 kilowatts, which is about 100 horsepower. It's a 4-cylinder engine and it's turbocharged. Being a small displacement 3.2 litre gives it very, very good fuel efficiency, and it's actually a tier 3 engine, so it's low emissions, super clean burning. You can see it's very easy to work on. You've got lots of access to anything that you need, your battery, air filters, oil and water, your main fluids. That's a really nice forklift. Very well built, you can tell. When you look at it closely, you can see just how much strength has gone into its design. If you need any more information on this, just give us a call, click on the website or the links below. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more of this coming your way.